Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 and the L7C Pro. In today's video, we will dive into their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you decide which gimbal is the right fit for your video recording needs. We'll explore their stabilization capabilities, AI tracking functionalities, battery life, and overall value for money. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $229, making it a premium option with advanced features. On the other hand, the L7C Pro is much more affordable at just $79, appealing to budget-conscious consumers. While the M6 offers more capabilities, the L7C Pro provides excellent value for those who need basic stabilization without the extra cost. Battery life is crucial for videographers on the go. The Hohem iSteady M6 boasts an impressive battery life of 18 hours, allowing for extended shooting sessions without interruptions. In contrast, the L7C Pro offers up to 12 hours of battery life, which, while decent, may require more frequent recharging during longer shoots. This difference can significantly impact your filming experience, especially for outdoor adventures. In terms of features, the Hohem iSteady M6 comes equipped with advanced AI tracking, a built-in magnetic fill light, and a small OLED display for real-time settings. These features enhance the user experience and provide more creative options for videographers. Meanwhile, the L7C Pro offers basic AI tracking and a foldable design for portability, but lacks an integrated display and built-in light. This makes the M6 a more versatile choice for those who need additional functionality. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the L7C Pro have their strengths and weaknesses. The M6 is ideal for serious videographers looking for advanced features and longer battery life, while the L7C Pro is perfect for casual users seeking a budget-friendly option. Consider your filming needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.